Alright, so if your ASUS TUF VG259QM looks washed out, too bright, or just not as sharp as you expected, yeah, you're not alone. This monitor is super fast, but the default picture settings aren't actually the best. So in this video, I'll show you the exact settings to get cleaner colors, better contrast, and overall sharper image quality, step by step. First, let's start fresh, so old settings, don't mess things up. Open your monitor menu using the joystick button on the back, go to System Setup and choose Reset. Next, go to the Splendid or Picture Mode section and select Racing Mode. This mode gives the most accurate colors and balanced image quality compared to the others. Now lower brightness, because out of the box it's way too high. Set brightness around 30 to 40 depending on your room lighting and keep contrast at about 80 for better depth. Go into Color Settings and switch color temperature to user mode. Then set red to 100, green to about 94, and blue to 96. This removes the slightly blue tint and makes whites look natural. Make sure blue light filter is turned off for accurate colors. You can enable it at night if you want, but keep it off for best picture quality. Finally, set vivid pixel to 0 or very low. Higher values add fake sharpening and can actually make text in games look worse. And that's it. You should now see more natural colors, better contrast, and a cleaner image overall. The VG259QM already has strong color accuracy after calibration, so these small tweaks make a big difference. If this helped, go ahead and save these settings so you don't lose them later. And yeah, and try them in your favorite game and you'll notice the difference immediately. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.